In this incredible 17-part series, we take you down a Blender workflow deep dive by using mostly free open source software like Blender, Google Maps, and Panui. You'll learn how to create a stunning 360-degree virtual tour just like this. So, grab yourself a cuppa and let's get stuck in. This is lesson 1, how to use Google Maps. So this is the building we're going to work on, this one here. So I'm trying to get as many angles as I can off of the street view, and later we'll take these into Photoshop to get them. So basically I just do screenshots real quick. I try to get this area here, it's just to get the 4. I'll come up, just do that. We see over here it's coming in, and I'll come as much as I can over here. Maybe from this angle. Do the best you can with what you got. Sometimes it's hard, but you want to get those 4 squares, and later on we'll change the perspective. So I'll come in here, get it from here, and go up. Let's see if I can get this area here. Let's see if I can get myself here. That's not too bad. A little bit straight there. There you go. That's work your way around. Very strange. And then it'll come over here. There we go. There it changes back. So what I want to do is I'm gonna get the fun of this one. This one's been happening a lot, and there we go. No, I'm gonna get right over here as much as I can. There we go. Let's see if I can get that straightened out. See this one. I can get back. Maybe I can pull back a little bit. There we go. And then let's see if I can get right here. It's very tricky. Get back. It went back. I'm back in time. There you go. Heck, this time. Let's see if I can go here. Oh, here is 1962. Over here. Let's see. Here we go. I just want to get right in the front of this. That way. I'll just do this one. Pull out. That's as good as I'm going to get it. So I'm going to try to straighten it up with what I can. Lighten it up. I'll just get this the angle. I want that plane right there, and then I'll come over and see if I can get this as straight as possible. And I try to gauge it this way, so I use the top of the frame and see if I can get as close as I can to be straight. And then what I'll do is get this plane here. So when you start doing that, it starts changing the angle and kind of messes up. So if I could just move over just a little bit more, there we go, that's a little bit better. Pull that out. It'd be nice to get those in, but I'll do it later. I just want the walls for now. There we go. So I got this as much as possible. Then I'm going to go right down the line because I'm doing just this row here. This is on. I did this already. This side has all been done. And I've done all this down here, and I've done this street here, all the way down there, and all this. This is the next one I'm doing. So I'm going to do this again. Try to see if you can line it up as best you can at the top. Get it as straight as you can. And just drop it in, and I'll just stitch them all together later in Photoshop, and then straighten them all out. And then that goes into Blender, and that's my gag. Again, see if I can straighten it up and see if I need that as much as I can. Straight down, pull out. Do it again. There, as much as I can. I'm trying to get this one. This eyeball it. There we go. Let's see if I can get it for this one. If you got something out of the tutorial, please hit like, and even better, subscribe so you're notified as more are uploaded. Then if you'd like to explore the finished project, click on the link in the description below.